Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch in Solidworks. Exercise number 2. Okay, maximum time will be 5 to 10 minutes and I will also provide the image link in description box. So let's start. Firstly select a plane and draw a sketch. Now dimension it 25, 30, 13 and this is 15 and this also 15. So don't require this dimension. Just click on finish sketch. Go to feature and extrude 35 millimeter and OK. Now draw this part. Okay, click on this plane and insert a plane. Flip side and dimension will be 35 minus 25, 10 millimeter. Okay, click OK. Now go to plane and normal to and draw a sketch on it. Draw a rectangle now dimension and 10 millimeters. Okay, now extrude. This time we apply a extrude, not blind, up to the surface. Okay, and flip this side and extrude this surface up to this surface and click OK. Okay, now you can see what this part is extrude. Now make this part. This time we will not take a plane, hide this plane first. Just simply go there and make a sketch. Draw a rectangle. This dimension is 10 millimeter and the height is 25. All black. Finish sketch and go to extrude. Select the sketch and scope. Flip side and dimension is 10 millimeter. Yeah. Click OK. So you can see our drawing is complete. Our part is complete with the help of this sketch. In this exercise, we learn two new tricks you can say. One is extrude to the surface and simply go there and draw some sketch and extrude to other side. Hopefully you like it, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.